Hey there, amazing developers. It's been a while, but I'm back and more excited than ever to share some awesome new content with you. In today's video, we are going to create something really cool, a dynamic and visually stunning portfolio splash screen using WPF. This isn't just any splash screen, it's packed with sleek animations and interactive elements that will make your projects stand out. As you can see, we have a modern and clean splash screen with rotating elements, smooth animations, and an eye-catching layout. Now let's break down how we achieved this. Let's start by taking a quick look at our project structure in Visual Studio. As you can see, we have a solution named Splash Screen with a single project also named Splash Screen. Within this project, we have a few key files and folders. We have the resources folder. In this folder, we have an icons.xml file that contains all the resource dictionaries for our application. Moving on, we have the app.xml file. This file is crucial as it defines the application resources and sets the startup URI to portfolio splash.xml. As you can see in the XAML code, we are merging the resource dictionaries from icons.xml here. And finally, we have portfolio splash.xml file and its Codebehind file. So let's dive deeper into these files since they form the core of our splash screen functionality. We will start by exploring the XML file which defines the UI elements of our splash screen. The layout consists of various borders, images and animations that bring the splash screen to life. Let's begin with the window element itself. We have set the background to a dark color which provides a sleek and professional look. The data context is set to self to enable data binding within this window. Additionally, we have set the window style to none and window state to maximize to create a full screen splash screen without any default window borders. In the window.resources section, we define colors and styles that we will reuse throughout the splash screen. For instance, the color.shadow is used to create a consistent shadow effect across various elements. The data template named image item template is used to define how each image in our items control is displayed. Each image is wrapped in a border with a shadow effect, providing a polished and professional appearance. Next, the image container border style applies to each border containing our images. This style includes a drop shadow effect to give a depth effect and a translate transform to allow for animations. We also have a style targeting the image elements to apply a shadow effect, enhancing the visual depth of our images. As usual, the main layout starts with a root border that contains all the elements. This border uses a radial gradient brush to create a vignette effect, drawing the user's attention towards the center of the screen where our logo is placed. Inside the root border, we use a view box to ensure our content scales uniformly, maintaining a consistent look across different screen resolutions. This is particularly important for ensuring that our splash screen looks great on any display. The virtualizing stack panel is used to efficiently manage the display of multiple images. By virtualizing the content, we improve the performance, especially when dealing with a large number of images. We apply a blur effect to the virtualizing stack panel for a subtle matte look. Additionally, a transform group is used to scale and rotate the panel, giving the image a dynamic diagonal appearance. Each border within the virtualizing stack panel contains a collection of images. We have applied event triggers and storyboard animations to create a smooth sliding effect. This effect continuously moves the images diagonally, adding an engaging visual flow to the splash screen. Here we see a double animation that animates the translate transform.x property of the border. This animation runs forever with a smooth auto-reverse behavior, creating a continuous sliding motion. Now let's move to the Codebehind file portfolio splash.xml.cs. In the constructor, we are initializing the splash screen by randomly ordering and splitting the cover image URLs into multiple observable collections. We have several observable collections defined here, each holding a list of image URLs. We also have a static read-only collection of cover image URLs initialized with a list of URLs. Additionally, we have handled the mouse left button down event to allow dragging the splash screen. Finally, we have the property changed event handler to notify the UI of any property changes. And there you have it, a fully functional and visually stunning portfolio splash screen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.